Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Volkswagen, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2014 Volkswagen Passat, the 1.8. So right now the problem is with the check engine light, and for the code is for the EVAP system leak. So I'm going to show you the code. There you go, P2402 EVAP system leak right there, leak detection pump. So when I checked the whole EVAP system, I checked from the purge valve, put the smoke leak test. There's no leak on the EVAP system at all. I test the purge valve open and close, and then I apply smoke leak through it, apply 12 volt into the valve. It opens, let the smoke come through, so the valve is working perfectly. Now this code is for the leak detection pump. I test the whole system just to make sure the EVAP system there's not leaking from the engine. So the main problem is just the leak detection pump. There's a few steps to test this pump, but I'm not going to show you guys, it'll take too long. I'm just going to jump straight to the point. The leak detection pump is bad, and I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. Now when I type the code into the computer, same thing, same car, same model, and 99% of the problem is the leak detection pump. You can see all of them, all detect how they test it, and they mentioned it. And this is the step that I have to follow to diagnose it. Right there, that's if you want to see the step. Now this code is very common on the Vito, the 251820, the Jetta, different year, the 36, the 252. So this problem is very common. The code for the leak detection pump to fail is very common, P2402. Now here's another code that I found. Same thing, when I type in the car, different code pops up, but this is 2400, and it's also, this is a step how you test it. A very common issue too, same thing, different year, same engine model, and 99% of it is the leak detection pump go out, just old wear and tear. But the procedure that I test for this code right here is, this is the procedure right there. That's how I test it, and that's how I diagnosed it. So very common issue for the leak detection pump to fail. Now for the leak detection pump, it's on the gas tank side, on the fender well right here. Now for the when you take out the cover, you're gonna see this canister right here. Now the leak detection pump is this pump right here with the connector connected to it. Now I'm gonna show you how to take them off. Now to remove the whole canister, you're gonna remove this line right here, this vent line right here. You're gonna press on this tab on this side right here, press on this side, and then you pull. For this big one, you're gonna press the bottom and the top, so you have to press both end in and pull. And then for the connector, you're gonna press the clip from the inside, the tab right here, press on the tab and then pull. There you go. And then down here there's two bolts holding on to the whole canister. Now once you take it out, you can remove the whole thing. There you go, just like that. For the leak detection pump, this hose right here, you're gonna press on the side of the clip right here, both sides, press on it, pull. And then for the hose right here, that was a clamp here. Someone worked on this before, forgot to put it back. You're gonna remove the clamp and then push this hose back. And then on the back, there's 3 Torx bolts holding on to the pump. Just gotta take out the 3 Torx bolts. And then you can take out the pump, just like that. I have the part number for the leak detection pump. This is my new one, Bosch. That's the part number right there. It says right there, leak detection pump. my new one. This one feels very solid, very heavy, very well built. This one feels kind of light, kind of flimsy, and it has no, this is the only number, no brand, nothing on it. This one has a brand on it. You can see right there, Bosch. So I'm gonna reinstall it the same way I removed it. So I put the new pump in already. For this one, I just zip tied it. It's pretty tight. It's not gonna go anywhere. Put back the 3-bolt on the pump. Put this hose back right here, and then since you're here, blow air into here. Make sure when you blow air into here, it comes out of here. If the air doesn't come out, that's mean the canister in here is clogged. So you blow it either way, it has to come out the air. Since you're here, check out the leak detection pump connector. Make sure the wires in the back here is not broken, ripped, or damaged. Check the pin inside. Make sure it's not corroded or bent. So this one looks good. I'm just gonna reinstall it. Now when you install the canister back, make sure this notch right here, it goes into here. It goes inside here. Now I got everything back in. Make sure the connector, it clicks into the spot. Make sure this hose, when you pull it back out, it doesn't pop back out. Make sure you hear the click. That means it's locked in. This one, same thing. Everything's good. Tighten down my 2-bolt. Put the fender cover back on the wheel. I have the key on. Now I'm going to show you the check engine light code again before I clear it. So this problem is very common on the 14182025. It's very common issue for the leak detection pump. It go out. It's just, you know, wear and tear. It's old. It could be dying out. That's why I checked the EVAP system on the engine. The purge valve is good. The EVAP system is good. There's no leak, but the leak detection pump, is detect if there's a leak in the EVAP system or not, but could be intermittent. There's no leak, but it keep on saying that there's a leak. So the leak detection pump, it goes bad. It's very normal, common problem, wear and tear. So this problem is very normal on 14182025. Very common. Same thing to Audi too, if you have the same engine. So I'm gonna turn off the car. I didn't mean to do that. There you go. Turn it back on. That's it. So for this one, just a leak detection pump replace. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.